right after putting that copper foil tape on. I'm going to check how long it's going to take to get a GPS lock. I was usually waiting about 5-10 minutes to get a GPS lock with this FreeX Skyview. It's pretty frustrating. Even after swapping out batteries, it would take quite some time. After having that initial GPS lock, it wouldn't fire up right away. It would take a good 3 to 5 minutes again to get another lock. So anything under 5 minutes is going to be a great improvement. I have high hopes after watching a couple videos where this was done, and they're getting GPS locks in about 45 seconds. So I'm going to link to one of those videos so you can check that out also if you'd like to. So let's plug this battery in, turn the controller on, and see how long it takes. So controller's on, battery's plugged in. Go ahead and come over here. Red light's on, a little sunny, I know it's hard to see. There's a red light. Okay. There it is. That couldn't have been more than 30 seconds. So that copper tape over the GPS module in the upper portion of the FreeX Skyview is a game changer. That's going to take this relatively inexpensive GPS quad and turn it into an everyday usable quad. So GearBest is where I ordered this one from. It was on sale for $189, which is pretty cheap for a brushless motor quadcopter that can carry a GoPro. So check it out. There will be links in the description to each and to the camera that I use to record and shoot footage on the actual quadcopter. So if you like this video, click the like button. Leave comments if you have any questions or you'd like to see anything else FreeX-wise in the future. And subscribe if you think you need to. So, alright, Quadcopters Decoded, signing off.